Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Much of the time we have to use our iPhone with two hands. One hand to hold the phone and the other hand to tap and swipe and press buttons. But sometimes using both hands isn't feasible. You may be unable to use a certain hand due to a disability, accident or other issues, or may simply want the flexibility to manage your phone without tying up both hands. Whatever the reason, there are ways you can control your phone using just one hand. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use iPhone in one hand. When using your iPhone with one hand in portrait mode, you can turn on a reachability feature that lowers the top half of the screen so you can more easily access it with your thumb. To enable this, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Find Accessibility. Tap on it. Tap on Touch. From here, turn on the switch for reachability. To put this into practice on an iPhone with Face ID, swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen. The top half should then move down. On an iPhone with a home button, lightly double tap it to move top half down. To return to the regular full screen, tap the upper half of the screen. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.